and its application to multi-criteria decision making and COVID-19 with orthoperic fuzzy process. In this presentation, I have included the following subtopics: introduction, extension in fuzzy sets, problem statement. Due to shortage of time, I will continue from problem statement. In the past, the entropy method and their application have been studied by many researchers. However, entropy measure for the Coulomb orthopair fuzzy set is and its application to decision making with orthoperian fuzzy process is not so far considered. Therefore, I choose this topic and I have submitted a paper in Journal of Intelligence and Fuzzy System. The proposed entropy measures. I have proposed these three entropy measures: EM1 and EM2, E min max. These three entropy measures have been submitted in the Journal of Intelligence and Fuzzy System. If we have a universal of discourse x equal to this, then the proposed entropy measures satisfies all the axioms of entropy measures, which are E1, which is an entropy should be lies between 0 and 1. The second one is entropy of Cripps sets is 0, and the third one is if the membership grade and non-membership grade in the decision matrix are equal, then entropy should be 1. And the fourth criteria is if A is less fuzzy than B, then the entropy of S is less than entropy of B, and the last one is entropy of A and A complement is always equal. Our proposed entropy measures satisfies all these three conditions, axioms, all these 5 axioms. On the basis of proposed entropy measures, we have constructed O process, which has following steps. First step is construction of decision matrix, and the second one is determinant of weight criteria. The most important thing in this research is that if we do not know the weight of attributes, then we can calculate all weights for all the attributes using by proposed entropy measures. Construction of Coulomb orthopair positive ideal solution and negative ideal solution. Here two types of solution which we call, one is Benedict solution and the other is Gauss solution. And in step 4, we calculate distance of all alternatives to positive ideal solution and negative ideal solution. In step 5, we calculate the relative closeness of all attributes and all alternatives. And in step 6, the relative closeness. On the basis of relative closeness, we have ranked the alternatives in ascending order or descending order. The alternatives having highest relative closeness is considered as best alternative. To check the validity of our proposed entropy measure in multi-criteria decision-making problem, I have considered here an example of COVID-19 patient. If I consider here 4 patients, P1, P2, P3 and P4. Due to we have considered a problem considering the distribution of patients with outbreak of COVID-19 in Pakistan and distribution of these COVID-19 patient in different level of medical treatment institution in Pakistan. Due to outbreak of COVID-19 in Pakistan, more and more people are rushing to Class A hospital for treatment. Even they have an ordinary fever, which cause difficulty in testing COVID-19 and also exceed the limit of such hospitals. Therefore, in the present case study analysis, we focus on distributing the patient with COVID-19 symptoms in appropriate medical treatment centers to overcome the pressure of outbreak and overcrowding in the Class A hospitals. We take 4 patients on the basis of following symptoms. Symptom 1 is body temperature as to the frequency of cough, and third is difficulty in breathing, and 4 high fever. The weight criteria are totally unknown, and suppose that the doctors use the rating values for the 4 patients with respect to the symptom by using Curran orthopair fuzzy numbers. This is the decision matrix. In P1, the first one shows 0.9 is the membership, and 0.3 is non-membership, and 0.3 to 49 the degree of hesitancy. By using the proposed orthopedic fuzzy tosses, we have calculated entropy measures and weight for each criteria in this table, and in this table we calculate distance of all alternatives to positive ideal solution and negative ideal solution. And in this table we calculate degree of relative closeness, and table 5 we rank the alternatives. On the basis of our proposed entropy measure and the orthosis, this table shows that patient 4, P4, which is most serious and should be treated in A-class hospital. In this research work, we have proposed new fuzzy entropy measure in the frame of Curran orthopair fuzzy set. We utilize this concept on Curran orthopair fuzzy set and introduce the notion of sigma entropy and introduce axiomatic difference. Several examples are given to check the validity of our proposed entropy measure and the proposed orthosis. Due to shortage of time, I cannot present all material here, but this paper is submitted in Journal of Intelligence and Fuzzy System, which is under review. Thank you.